So I asked you to do a spiritual autobiography of what spirituality means to you, but I did not give you mine. I thought I would save it to do in a picture in this video to allow it to capture what spirituality means to me. I'm standing in the midst of Garden of the Gods. It's located in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and I'll let the picture speak for itself. I'll let the video speak to you about spirituality, about finding your higher power in nature, about standing in awe of a creation that man could not make. Acknowledge the beauty. Spirituality to me is the majestic beauty that's depicted in the rocks here, in addition to so many other things.